The year is 2045. Imagine waking up in a world where your morning coffee is brewed by a robot barista, personalized to your exact taste buds. Your autonomous vehicle navigates the morning rush hour seamlessly, while you answer emails with the help of your AI assistant. At work, collaborative robots or cobots share the factory floor with human colleagues, their metallic limbs moving with precision and speed. This is not a scene from a science fiction film. This is the potential reality of a world increasingly intertwined with artificial intelligence. This is not to say that life in 2045 will be a utopia. The rise of AI also brings anxieties about job displacement, economic inequality, and the very nature of what it means to be human. As we stand on the precipice of this new era, it's crucial to examine both the opportunities and challenges presented by this technological revolution. The future is not predetermined, it is ours to shape. To understand the transformative potential of AI, we must first delve into the history of automation. The seeds of automation were sown during the Industrial Revolution, with the advent of steam-powered machines that could perform tasks previously done by human hands. This era saw the rise of factories and mass production, fundamentally changing the nature of work and society. The 20th century witnessed the rapid evolution of computers, leading to the automation of more complex tasks in fields like manufacturing and finance. Today we stand at the cusp of another revolution, driven by artificial intelligence. AI-powered machines are no longer limited to pre-programmed tasks. They can learn, adapt, and even make decisions based on vast datasets, surpassing human capabilities in speed and scale. The rise of AI has sparked widespread concern about job displacement. As AI-powered machines become increasingly sophisticated, they are poised to automate a wide range of tasks, from driving trucks to diagnosing diseases. This technological unemployment is not a distant threat, it's already a reality in some sectors. However, it's important to note that while AI will undoubtedly reshape the job market, it won't necessarily lead to mass unemployment. History has shown that technological advancements often create new industries and job categories. The challenge lies in adapting to these changes through education, retraining, and a focus on uniquely human skills. Section 4. The human edge: creativity, compassion, and critical thinking. Despite its remarkable capabilities, AI is not a silver bullet. There are fundamental aspects of human intelligence and experience that remain beyond the reach of even the most advanced algorithms. Creativity, for example, is a uniquely human trait that fuels innovation and artistic expression. Similarly, compassion, empathy, and emotional intelligence are qualities that underpin human connection and social cohesion. While AI can mimic human emotions to some extent, it lacks the genuine capacity for understanding and responding to complex human needs. Critical thinking, nuanced judgment, and ethical decision-making are other areas where humans retain a distinct advantage. Section 5. Joining forces: the power of human-AI collaboration. Rather than viewing AI as a threat, we should embrace its potential to augment and enhance our own abilities. The true power of AI lies not in replacing humans, but in collaborating with us. This human-AI synergy can lead to unprecedented advancements in various fields. Imagine AI-powered tools that assist doctors in diagnosing diseases with greater accuracy, architects in designing sustainable buildings, or teachers in personalizing education for each student. By combining human ingenuity with AI's processing power, we can unlock solutions to some of humanity's most pressing challenges. Section 6. Navigating the ethical labyrinth of artificial intelligence. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into our lives, it's crucial to address the ethical implications of this technology. Algorithmic bias, data privacy, and the potential for AI to be used for malicious purposes are just a few of the concerns that demand careful consideration. Establishing clear ethical guidelines for AI development and deployment is paramount. We need to ensure that AI systems are designed to be fair, transparent, and accountable. International cooperation and open dialogue will be essential in navigating this complex landscape. Section 7. Homo Deus, or Homo Obsolete, charting humanity's course. The rise of AI presents us with a fundamental question: What does it mean to be human in an age of intelligent machines? Will we become like gods, as some futurists predict, or will we become obsolete, our roles usurped by our own creations? The answer, ultimately, lies in our own hands. The future is not predetermined, it is shaped by the choices we make today. By embracing the potential of human-AI collaboration, prioritizing ethical considerations, and fostering a spirit of adaptability and lifelong learning, we can chart a course toward a future where humans and AI coexist, not as competitors, but as collaborators in the grand tapestry of existence. The story of humanity and AI is still being written, and we have the power to determine its ending. In this chapter, we will explore the future possibilities of AI and how it can shape our world in the next decade. Imagine a world where AI-driven technologies revolutionize healthcare, making early disease detection and personalized treatment plans a reality for everyone. Picture smart cities that use AI to manage resources efficiently, reducing waste and improving the quality of life for their inhabitants. But with great advancements come great challenges. The rapid pace of innovation may outstrip our ability to adapt, leading to societal disruptions and ethical dilemmas. How do we ensure that AI benefits everyone, not just a privileged few? How do we prevent biases in AI algorithms from perpetuating existing inequalities? The role of humans in this AI-driven society will be more crucial than ever. Our creativity, compassion, and critical thinking will serve as guiding lights as we navigate this uncharted territory. By fostering a culture of innovation and ethical responsibility, we can harness the power of AI to create a future that is not only technologically advanced, but also just and inclusive. The next decade presents us with an opportunity to redefine what it means to be human in an age of intelligent machines. Will we rise to the occasion and shape a future where humans and AI work together in harmony? The choice is ours to make. Join us as we embark on this journey into the future, exploring the limitless possibilities and addressing the challenges that lie ahead. Together, we can chart a course towards a brighter, more equitable world. In this chapter, we will delve into the ethical considerations of AI in warfare. As AI technology advances, its application in military settings becomes increasingly plausible, and in some cases, already a reality. Imagine autonomous drones capable of making split-second decisions on the battlefield, or AI systems that can outmaneuver human strategists in complex wargames. The potential benefits are clear: reduced human casualties, increased efficiency, and enhanced strategic capabilities. However, these advancements bring with them a host of moral dilemmas. Who is accountable when an autonomous weapon makes a mistake? Can an AI truly understand the value of human life, or the complexities of ethical decision-making in the heat of battle? The risks are equally daunting. There is the potential for an arms race in AI-driven weaponry, leading to a destabilized global security landscape. The possibility of AI systems being hacked or malfunctioning raises questions about the reliability and safety of such technologies. Furthermore, the use of AI in warfare could dehumanize conflict, making it easier to wage war without considering the profound human cost. As we stand on the brink of this new era, it is imperative that we address these ethical concerns head-on. International regulations, transparent oversight, and rigorous ethical standards must be established to govern the use of AI in military applications. The decisions we make today will shape the future of warfare and, by extension, the future of humanity. Will we use AI to create a more secure world, or will we allow it to become yet another instrument of destruction? The choice and the responsibility lie with us. Join us as we explore the ethical labyrinth of AI in warfare, striving to find a path that upholds our shared human values while embracing the potential of this powerful technology. If you found this discussion insightful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others. Your support helps us bring more thought-provoking content to you.